I was made for this shit. Nothing but green grass in my view. Hit him for 50 yards up the middle. All of my rushes are ready to move. Tell your quarterback, head on the swivel. Came all this way, so we hungry as hell. If we ain't winning, we ain't leaving the field. Overtime, now the shit getting real. Double overtime, shoot for the kill. I put it all on my shoulders. Give 100 till it's over. All of this ice in my veins, tell me how could there be anyone colder? I put it all on my shoulders. Give 100 till it's over. I told you, I'm making plays. I'm making plays. I'm making hits. I'm making hits. I'm making plays. I'm making plays. I never miss. I never miss. See, haters gon' hate. Yeah, they gon' hate. But look at the clips. Look at the clips. At the end of the day, yeah, I was made for this shit. Hold up, run that back. I'm making plays. I'm making plays. I'm making hits. I'm making hits. I'm making plays. I'm making plays. I never miss. No, I never miss. See, haters gon' hate. I let them hate. But look at the clips. They look at the clips. At the end of the day, I was made for this shit, dog. I was made for this shit. I was made for this shit. I was made for this shit.